Hey, sorry, I'm gonna be late. My cat just bit my dog and I need to take it to the vet.
What? I thought your cat is just a kitten. How could it beat the dog?
No, I said it bit the dog with its teeth. There's a wound on my dog's leg.
Oh, you mean your cat bit the dog, not beat.
Many English learners have difficulty distinguishing the I and E sounds, and sometimes that can cause misunderstanding. First, let's focus on the I sound. Pay attention to the shape of your mouth and the position of your teeth. Your lips should not be touching each other. Same goes for your teeth. Can you try saying the sound? Remember, the I sound is a short vowel sound, so when you make this sound, it should be very short. Let's try saying some words with the I sound. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Chip, bit, sit, it. Now let's look at the E sound and see how it's different from the I sound. This sound is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced E. Pay attention to the shape of your mouth and the position of your teeth. Your teeth should almost be touching each other like you're smiling for a picture. Say cheese. Can you try saying the sound? Do you feel the difference in your mouth and teeth position when you say the sounds I and E? Remember, the E sound is a long vowel sound, so you need to make the sound last a bit longer than the time you spent to make the I sound. Let's try saying some words with the E sound. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Cheap, beat, seat, eat. Hopefully, now you'll find it easier to pronounce the I and E sounds using the correct mouth position. If you want to improve your pronunciation, check out our online resources and sign up for our pronunciation workshops. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the ELSS website for more resources.